Aaron Syme, founder and CEO at WebRTC.Ventures here at AWS reInvent 2023. As always, AWS is a pretty overwhelming conference, huge conference. But having lots of great meetings and conversations here, though. So in addition to the conference, I also got to check out the Sphere while I was here this time. Saw the postcards from Earth, which was really cool to see. Highly recommend checking out really any concert or program that you can see at the Sphere. It's a super cool place. Some of the interesting things that I've seen here at reInvent, the Amazon Connect team has announced a tighter integration with the Amazon Chime SDK and being able to integrate video and audio from the Amazon Chime SDK into like click-to-call type of widgets directly in the Amazon Connect console, which is really cool. Got to see a little bit about that. For a lot of use cases, that's going to be a great way to quickly integrate video into Contact Center. And then there's also the ability to build your own custom click-to-call interface into the same APIs used. And so for situations like that, that's where our team at WebRTC.Ventures would come into play. Speaking of the Amazon Chime SDK, we also do have a starter kit for that, available soon in the Amazon Marketplace and available by contacting us directly as well. Some of the interesting presentations that I've seen here, I was just at one about Lex and generative AI in Lex for conversational AI. Really interesting. They talked about, it's a common theme here for sure, generative AI, Amazon Q being able to be integrated into things like Code Whisperer, as well as really covering the whole life cycle, right? So you can use generative AI to help you build AWS products, as well as helping the end users of them. So like in a Amazon Connect type of scenario, you could use generative AI to help provide better agent assist to agents. Presentation I just saw about Lex for conversational AI showed examples of using generative AI to help you build bots on Lex and help you come up with questions and the types of answers you could expect, the intents you could expect to see from them and have to map for them. So really cool to be able to just start with a prompt, something like, I want to build a hotel reservation bot that does XYZ. And it pre-populates a lot of that for you. So that's really a powerful example of generative AI being able to help you build something faster, but then also on the actual bot side showed some cool examples of AI to enhance the conversational AI capabilities. It can understand more nuanced expressions from a customer. For example, it talked about being able to say, well, my spouse and I and our kids will be there and staying at this hotel for next Monday night. And because of the enhanced capabilities of generative AI, the bot automatically understands, okay, next Monday night is this date, based on the date that you're asking me that. And when you say your spouse and 2 kids, that means there's 4 of you total on this reservation. So being able to handle things, more complex conversational interactions is being enabled by generative AI on the end user side too. So that's definitely a theme of reInvent, is how generative AI can be used to enhance all aspects of the interaction, from building your service on AWS to how your users actually interact with it. Another interesting presentation I saw was from a senior living group, Atria, about using voice in their solutions with Alexa smart properties. And it's always interesting to see how voice is used in healthcare and being able to provide better patient care. In this case, with senior living, also being able to provide just better interactions with the seniors. Certainly, loneliness is a big deal. Also, staff shortage is a big deal in that, in healthcare in general, but in senior living centers in particular. So being able to better answer your residents in your senior community with their questions about what's on the menu for tonight. So that was also a really interesting presentation, and they also talked about how with the WebRTC integrations that are possible now with Alexa and Alexa Smart Properties, how you could also open that up to additional type of caregiver apps interacting with patients say like a specialized type of telehealth application using WebRTC or a PBX connection in addition to Alexa calls, all of that is possible now. So that's really cool. If you're interested about anything that's going on at reInvent and the use of generative AI, conversational AI in communications applications, that's really where our expertise is at WebRTC.Ventures. So we are your integration experts for building in video, voice, messaging, and AI into your communication applications, whether that is a fully custom telehealth solution, a click-to-call application using Amazon Connect and the Amazon Chime SDK, or all kinds of other solutions. You can learn more about us, get more information, and contact us for a quote at WebRTC.Ventures.